AI supply chain, the end-to-end ecosystem of components needed to build and deploy AI, from chip manufacturing and cloud infrastructure through data, models, tools, and applications. Why it matters? Understanding the AI supply chain reveals dependencies and bottlenecks, from TSMC chip fabrication to NVIDIA GPUs to cloud providers to model developers. Think of it this way: like the automotive supply chain, from raw materials through component manufacturing to assembly to dealer. Disruption at any point affects the whole chain. For example, chips, TSMC, GPUs, NVIDIA, cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, training frameworks, PyTorch, base models, OpenAI, Anthropic, tools, LangChain, applications, enterprise products,